this evening, it's been just 1 month since the United States military began Operation Epic Fury, targeting the world's #1 state sponsor of terror, Iran. In these past 4 weeks, our armed forces have delivered swift, decisive, overwhelming victories on the battlefield. Victories like few people have ever seen before. Tonight, Iran's Navy is gone. Their Air Force is in ruins. Their leaders, most of them terrorist regime they led, are now dead. Their command and control of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps is being decimated.
From one retail investor to another, hopefully you are all well. This is Trader72. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This was the opening speech of Trump yesterday, which we were all hoping for a de-escalation of the US-Iran war. And it turned out to be not quite that in the end. No timeline. So this is the state of play at the moment. Just to give you a quick recap on yesterday's speech, Trump said takeaways. The Iran war is near completion, apparently, but confirmed 2 to 3 more weeks of heavily military action. No clear timeline, which we were all hoping for, a timeline of an end, of a date, or even enough's enough, we are now going, which was rumoured by certain media sources in the last few days, which hence the market rise. And market expected clarity, as we didn't get that, of course. So bottom line, more uncertainty, not less. Oil jumped on the back end of this 7%. Crude oil at the moment, it's up to $112 a barrel. As you can see, basically, stock are risk off, which I assume the last day of trade before Easter will be a red one. So thank you very much. That is what we didn't want to hear as investors, but we did. So this is 0.34, that's 323 points. And oil obviously up 8% on the back end of this speech to 112. Now, what does this mean? Well, this is, your guess is as good as mine in terms of what is next. Presumably there will be some dates where they will obviously eventually terminate this war. You have to believe that 2 to 3 weeks is possibly the way going forward. It depends, of course, on what Iran does as a payback. Strait of Hormuz is still basically locked, which is obviously 20% of oil going through that strait of world globally. So issues are definitely there, and it looks like we're going to go into Easter pretty much on the back foot again.